In this video, I'll explain why Florida is the best state for your family office. I'm Santiago Cueto, board-certified international business law expert and best-selling author. Right now, wealthy families across America are making a critical decision. They're choosing where to establish their family office. Many are getting it wrong. They're paying millions in unnecessary taxes. They're exposing their assets to unnecessary risks. But some families are doing something different. They're moving to Florida, and they're keeping more of their wealth as a result. Let me show you why Florida has become the undisputed champion for family office locations. First, let's talk about what really matters to high net worth families: taxes. Florida has zero state income tax, none. If you're running a family office in New York or California, you're paying up to 13% in state income taxes. That's not a small number. On a $10 million income, that's $1.3 million going straight to the state every single year. But here's what most people miss. It's not just about income tax. Florida has no estate tax, no inheritance tax, no gift tax at the state level. When you pass your wealth to the next generation, Florida doesn't get a cut. Compare that to states like Massachusetts or Oregon. They can take up to 20% of estates over certain thresholds. All right, do the math over a generation. The savings are staggering. We're talking about tens of millions of dollars staying in your family instead of going to state governments. Now, some people say Texas and Nevada also have no state income tax. That's true, but Florida offers something those states don't, and we'll get into that in just a moment. Let me tell you about something that doesn't get enough attention: privacy. Florida has some of the strongest privacy protections in the country. The state constitution explicitly protects your right to privacy. This matters more than you think. Florida doesn't require family offices to register with the state. You can operate with discretion. Your family's financial affairs remain private. In other states, various registration requirements can expose your family office structure to public scrutiny. And here's where Florida really shines: asset protection. Florida's homestead exemption is unlimited. You can own a $100 million home. It's protected from creditors. No cap, no limit. Try finding that in another state. Florida also exempts the entire cash value of life insurance from creditors. This creates powerful planning opportunities for family offices. You can structure significant wealth in protected vehicles. The state also has strong trust laws. Florida allows Dynasty trusts that can last for up to 360 years. Your family office can manage wealth across multiple generations with tax efficiency and creditor protection. And before we go further, if you're finding this valuable, hit that like button right now and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss strategies that could save your family millions of dollars. I share insights like this every week that you won't find anywhere else. Now let's talk about something that surprises people. Quality of life matters. Your family office needs talented professionals. Those professionals want to live somewhere attractive. Florida delivers. The weather is exceptional year-round. No brutal winters, no snow removal, no seasonal depression. Your team stays productive 12 months a year. That might sound superficial, but employee retention is a real cost for family offices. Florida's infrastructure supports family offices in ways people overlook. We have two major international airports in Miami and Orlando. Fort Lauderdale and Tampa add even more connectivity. You can be in Latin America in 3 hours, Europe in 8, Asia in 16. For families with global interests, this is huge. Now, the state also has world-class private schools, exceptional universities, top-tier healthcare systems, and these aren't luxuries. They're requirements for attracting the caliber professionals your family office needs. And here's something else. Most family offices operate through limited liability companies or limited partnerships. These structures face no corporate income tax in Florida, zero. This creates additional tax savings beyond personal income tax elimination. Now let's address the elephant in the room. People worry about Florida's regulatory environment. They shouldn't. Florida has modernized its trust laws repeatedly. The state welcomes family offices. The regulatory framework is sophisticated but not burdensome. Florida also has specialized business court system. If disputes arise, you're not stuck in general civil court. You get judges who understand complex financial structures. Your cases move faster. The outcomes are more predictable. The state has also created favorable rules for private trust companies. Your family can establish its own trust company to manage family assets. This gives you control without the cost and complications of using institutional trustees. And there's more. Florida recently eliminated its commercial rent tax just this last month, October of 2025. That's a significant win for businesses leasing office space. Most family offices operate through LLCs or limited partnerships. These structures face no corporate income tax in Florida. Compare that to C corporations, which do pay a 5.5% rate. The structure you choose matters. Every dollar you save on unnecessary taxes stays invested and growing for your family. Now here's the bottom line. Florida offers the complete package for family offices: zero state income tax, zero estate or inheritance tax, unlimited homestead protection, strong privacy laws, asset protection that's unmatched, and world-class infrastructure, and a regulatory environment that welcomes sophisticated wealth management. Wealthy families figure this out eventually. The question is whether you'll make the move before or after paying millions in unnecessary taxes. If you found this valuable, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I break down complex legal and tax strategies into actionable information you can actually use. I'm Santiago Cueto, your Florida business attorney. Be sure to watch more of my videos right here.